In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a Tidio AI chatbot tutorial. If you are a store owner, you run a SaaS or service site, or if you need some faster, cleaner customer support without putting together 5 different tools, then this video is for you. Because Tidio solves one inbox for live chat plus email and social DMs, automation for frequently asked questions, lead capture, and an AI agent called Lyro that can handle real questions from your own knowledge base. I'll show you how you can create your account, the widget that you have to install, how you can connect your core channels, set up Lyro correctly so it actually answers, and build a simple automation flow for your leads. By the end, you should have Tidio live, trained, and doing some useful work. So to getting started, all you have to do is navigate to the link in the description below this video and get started for free with Tidio.com. You create your account using your business, Gmail, or email address and a password. You connect your site by simply providing a URL in the sign-up box. After that, your 7-day free trial will activate. We'll be covering the pricing and the plans later on in this video, but for the time being, you can get started with a free trial. Now, when you have created your account and activated your free trial, you should land on a page that looks like this. This will be your dashboard, and you will see onto the left sidebar your main menus. The important ones are the inbox, where you will see all the conversations that you have with Tidio connected, Lyro, the AI agent, flows, so your visual automations, customers, analytics, integrations, and your settings. The point is to keep everything in one place: live chat, email, Messenger or Instagram, and WhatsApp, so you're not switching tabs and going between different applications every other day. Now, at this point, the first step that you should be doing is that you should install the path that matches your stack. And the way you do that is by installing your chat widget onto your site. So pick the install path that best matches your stack. If you are running Shopify, from your Tidio dashboard, you can choose install and then Shopify. You will then be simply sent to the Shopify App Store page for Tidio, where you will see the live chat widget. You install it and then you finish the short connect flow. You won't be coding or pasting anything. Shopify will handle everything and the integration is seamless. If you are running your site on WordPress, then in your WordPress admin, you go to plugins and then add new, search Tidio and install Tidio. Finally, if you want the widget onto your site, onto any other site, then you should do it manually by installing on a website in Tidio, and then you will have to paste the generated snippet before the closing. It will need some very simple technical skills, but the widget will appear immediately. There is also a mobile application available so you can answer chats when you are away from your desk. iOS and Android are both supported. Now, depending on your site, once you have your widget installed onto your site, one of the best reasons you can use Tidio is the multi-channeled inbox. And that is activated by connecting your core channels onto this tab right here. So whether you connect Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, these are the 3 core channels that are supported at the moment. You can also get the mobile application, as I said earlier, and a desktop application if you don't prefer the browser one. After connecting your Facebook or Messenger or Instagram assets, DMs from these websites will route into the same inbox. And that way your team can all reply from one screen, regardless of where the conversation started. Moving on, we've got the main part, which is Lyro, or the AI agent. As this is not just a generic chatbot, it actually uses your content. If you don't feed it from a knowledge base, it will guess. But if you do, it will answer just like your team does. So in the Lyro section, you walk through, get started with Lyro, point it at your help docs, or if you have any frequently asked question pages, or you paste the answers that you want it to be using. Keep your entries short, specific, and authoritative. You can control topics it's allowed to answer, escalation rules, and how it hands off to a human. Lyro can also perform actions like surface policies, guide users, and is available on paid packages. Some practical tips is that you can add shipping or returns, pricing basics, and account access steps first. Those are your highest volume questions. Also test with real customer phrasing. If you see hallucinations, then remove vague content and replace it with explicit Q-to-A entries. Now, when it comes to the flows themselves, you can open the flows and start with a template. So for example, a good day one flow would be a welcome plus capture email. You greet new visitors after about 10 seconds, ask if they are looking for something specific, and offer to email them helpful resources if they drop their address. Route to a human if they say they are ready to buy. Tidio's visual builder lets you drag triggers, conditions like returning visitor, and actions like send message, set tag, email capture, etc. You publish it and then you run it live in the widget. This is how you deflect repetitive questions and build a warm list without being obnoxious. Now inside the inbox you will see every thread, so chat, email, IG or messenger DMs, WhatsApp merged under the customer's profile. You assign, tag and leave internal notes. When Lyro answers and the user asks for a human, it hands off into the same thread. So your team sees full context instead of a cold transfer. If you are a solo operator, enable basic hours and an away message so expectations are clear. But if you are a team, you can set routing rules so billing, technical and sales land with the right people. When it comes to the pricing, you can actually choose between a customer service platform or the plans for Lyro AI agent. The pricing for the AI model starts at $39 per month and gives you access to the Lyro AI agent that we talked about. It includes a human handoff, customizable communication style, and knowledge-based responses. However, if you're only interested in the customer service platform, then you can continue with the starter plan, and this one also includes 50 Lyro AI conversations, 100 billable conversations, 100 flows visitors reached, live chat and ticketing, etc. The starter plan is at $29 per month and you can save up to 2 months for free when you opt in for the annual pay. If you would like to grab yourself a 7-day free trial to any one of these plans that you're seeing on the screen, then go ahead and navigate to the link in the description below this video and test the platform out at no risk. So that will be all on Tidio AI chatbot tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. If you have found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make relating to this one.